Hello everyone, and today we will study Gram-Smith orthogonalization process. Suppose if I take n vectors v1 v2 dot 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 vn be set of n vectors and is a basis for the inner product space V. We know the basis means it's linearly independent and spanning set. So v1 v2 vn is a basis for an inner product space V. We can use this basis to construct orthogonal set. Orthogonal basis means this basis v1 v2 vn, we can, from this basis we can construct orthogonal basis for the vector space V. So this process is called as Gram-Smith orthogonalization process. Means how to construct orthogonal basis from the given basis, right? And that set we denote w1 w2 wn of V. So W1, W2, Wn are orthogonal basis and V1, V2, Vn are the basis only. Okay. Now what is the procedure? How we are going to construct? Simple. Take W1 is equal to V1. First vector take as it is. W1 is equal to your first vector. Now for the second vector W2 is equal to, see carefully and try to understand is V2 minus, because we are going to construct second vector. So V2 minus inner product of V2 V1 V2 W1 divided by inner product of W1 W1 into W1. You need to understand this. Inner product of first one is V2 with W1, then we have to divide by its norm of W1 means inner product of W1 W2. W1 only. W1 W1 means just like norm. But in norm square root is there. We are avoiding here square root. Inner product W1 W1 and you have to multiply by W1. So in W2 there are two terms. In W3, three terms. Will you tell me W3 here? V3 minus, yes, take that V3. V3 W1 divided by W1 W1 inner product into W1 minus V3 W2 divided by W2 W2 inner product into W2. Correct? In this way, will you tell me in general W4, suppose in general Wn we will write, but tell me W4 V4 minus inner product V4 W1. Yes, say with me, inner product W1 W1 minus inner product W4 W2 divided by inner product W2 W2 into W2 minus inner product V4 W3 divided by inner product W3 W3 into W3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting? Okay. In general, you can write for En also. No problem. Vn minus Vn W1, W1 W1 inner product into W1 minus Vn W2 divided by inner product W2 W2 into W2. In general, minus, yes, last term, Wn, yes, sorry, Vn Wn minus n 1 एक ने कमी divided by inner product Wn minus 1 Wn minus 1 and into Wn minus 1. Correct? So we get this W1, W2, so on Wn are orthogonal. Set means their inner product is 0. What about orthonormal? How we construct orthonormal? Just divide by its norm. So to get orthonormal set, we divide by its norm and we get our answer. Correct? So for example, if I take the example here, find orthonormal basis. See the question. Orthonormal means first I have to find orthogonal and then I have to divide by its norm. So find orthonormal basis for the subspace U of R4 spanned by these three vectors V1 1 1 1, V2 1 2 4 5 and V3 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2. Right? First vector, let W1 equal to V1 as it is 1 1 1 1. Now what is formula for W2? W2 is equal to V2 minus V2 W1 divided by W1 W1 inner product into W1. Okay. So first find this separately. Find inner product V2 W1. Inner product V2 W1. V2 is this term and W1 means 1 1 1. Find this inner product. 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 1 2, 4 into 1 plus 4, 5 into 1 5. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 13. Understood? So this product, keep in your mind, it is 13. Now inner product W1 with W1, W1 with W1. So 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 1. That means it is 4. So 13 upon 4. 13 or 12? It is 12, na? 12. So it is 12. 12 upon 4 means 3. There is a little bit mistake from my side. No problem. Understood it? So take that 3 into, and W1 is there 1 1 1. Do your calculation. You will get minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 3 it is 1, and 5 minus 3 it is 2. Correct? We get W2. Now next W3 we have to find. W3 is equal to V3 minus V3 W1 divided by W1 W1 into W1 minus V3 W2 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 into W2. So here we have to find 4 values. First, second, third and fourth. First we will find that 4 values. V3 W1. W1 we know 1 1 1 1, and V3 also we know 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2. Correct? 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2. Take this product. 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2. What I get? Minus 6 minus 9 means minus 8. Correct? Divided by W1 W1. W1 W1 we have found it is 4. Minus 8 upon 4, so it is minus 2. Now similar way find V3 W2. W2 means just we found W2. What is that W2? Value of W2 is 2 minus 1 1 1 2. So here use this one. V3 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 and this one. So I get here minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, product of these two. Then minus 2 into minus 2 it is minus 4, and do your calculation. Understood it? I did all calculation here in this step. Just clear your step here. Check what we did, it is correct or not. In this step the actual calculation is there. Correct? Understood? Then divided by inner product W2 W2 that we need. So you just do your calculation and tell me what will you get. I may made some mistake. You just avoid that mistake and try to solve it. So here I hope you have understood and get the calculation. Now let me clear one concept here. If your answer appears in such a way, fractions, then clearing the answer means multiply that whole term by that fraction. जो डिवाइडला आहे त्याने मल्टिप्लाय करून त्याला क्लिअर करून टाका. मीन्स हिअर इफ यू सी केअरफुली, suppose this is your answer, 16 by 10 minus 17 by 10 minus 13 by 10 14 by 10. This is your answer after doing all calculation. This is advice to you, do each and every calculation by yourself and then compare with my answer, because sometimes in while making the videos I may made some errors, so you just have to be careful here. Okay, just do yourself the calculation. Suppose this is the answer, then here you can see divide by 10 it a complicated term appears. So to avoid that complicated term, multiply it by 10 so that denominator 10 get cancelled. By clearing fractions we get this 16 minus 17, minus 13 and 14. Only numerator term remains and it's okay. So this is your orthogonal basis. Now we require orthonormal. So find norm of each one and divide to him. Just like norm of W1 is 4, so divide by 4. So I get 1 by root 4, 1 by root 4, 1 by root 4. That means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Similar way, do it for W2 and W3. You get orthonormal basis. So with this, our unit ends here. In a practice questions, I will give you some more problems, and if you are not able to solve it, then don't worry, we will solve together. I will help you. Thanks for watching.